Hi everyone and welcome to another blind bag video. So today I have Christina here.
Hey guys, how are y'all?
And she's going to be helping me open some of these blind bags. So I have 4 to open today. These all came from Walgreens for $1.89. I have Puppy in my pocket, Kitty in my pocket, and 2 Care Bears. And these are series 6 and they're supposed to be scented pastel bears. So I'm super excited to get started. So I'm going to go ahead and move these aside and we're going to go ahead and open these with you guys. I'm going to start with Puppy in my pocket, and this is series 8. And there are so many cute puppies to collect, so we're going to go ahead and open this up. It does have tear strips. There we go. And I got these because I thought they would be great for dolls. So it comes with a little checklist. And a puppy. Oh, it's so cute.
It is cute.
It's perfect for your dolls. This one does have a little boo-boo on it, like paint-wise, but that is perfectly okay. Perfect for dolls. I'll show you guys how it compares to a doll real quick. I think it's going to look great, so I'm super excited. So yeah, see? Perfect for a doll. So we're going to set her aside with the little puppy. I think it's going to be super cute in the dollhouse. So if you're looking for little pets for your Barbies, definitely check out Puppy in our pocket, or in my pocket actually. And this one is, let me look on our checklist here. This one is Shiloh. It's a shepherd mix dog, and there he is. I really want to get some more of these because I think they're super cute, and they're felt as well, or flocked. Excuse me, not felt. Okay, and Christina's going to open a blind bag.
I'm opening a Care Bear one. It's real cute. Let's see if I can.
And it's scented.
It's scented. Not that grand at open stuff on camera, but here we go. Let's see what color we get. Hopefully it's a cute one. Ew.
Oh, it looks like Sunshine Bear.
It looks like Sunshine Bear, yeah. It's real cute.
Does it come with a checklist? No
I didn't know.
They're supposed to be scented. That one smells like lemon.
Yeah, it smells like lemon, yeah. It's not got a strong scent, but...
Yep, Sunshine Bear is lemon.
But it's pretty cute.
It's perfect for dolls, too. You can use them in doll rooms. So that is so adorable. I love Sunshine Bear.
We'll sit right here by the Scruffy and hopefully they can get along.
Alright, so moving on to Kitty in my pocket. This one I'm super excited about. I can't wait to find some more of these. These are so adorable. I didn't know how big they were going to be. Alright, so here's our Kitty in my pocket checklist. And our kitty, oh my goodness, I wanted this one so bad. Look at that. And it's flocked, like I said. This one doesn't have any imperfections or anything like our other one did. So cute, guys. Look at that. Meow, meow. So yeah, perfect for my dolls. And they were worth $2, I think, because they're doll size. Yep. So let's see what her name is. And her name is DJ Scratchy. And there she is, right there. And I don't know if they're rare or not. Doesn't say. So yeah, I think they're really cute, guys. Definitely check those out because they fit great with those dolls.
And we got another Care Bear one. It's real cute. Season 6. Let's see what this one is. Hopefully this one's not a double.
Hopefully it's pink or purple. Or blue.
Or blue, yeah. That would be nice. I hope it's a cute one. Let's see. Nope, it's orange.
But it's cute though. And that one is... Oh, Friend Bear. And it's supposed to smell like oranges. Let's see if it smells like oranges. Yes. Very like oranges.
Oh my god, that one really got a strong scent compared to the other one.
Very much like citrus. The lemon one you can't really smell as good. But the citrus orange one, you can. We got both citrus ones, which is lemon and orange, which is funny. But we got Friendship Bear and Sunshine Bear, so they're perfect bears. I like that we got two that have different poses. They're super cute. They're going to look cute in a doll room.
Yep.
I'm kind of sad that I didn't get a pink one, but they're still super cute. I can't say they're not.
Yep.
And those little puppies and kitties, oh my god, guys. I think I found my new favorite blind bag. I will definitely be buying more of those because, you know, as well as I do, that Barbie doll pets cost a pretty penny, so we can get them a little bit cheaper if we get those blind bags.
True.
But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little blind bag unboxing or unbagging. We'll be right back with some more videos, so please like this video, subscribe, hit the little bell icon so you guys can get notified when we upload again. And I'm going to have Christina's channel linked below so you guys can go check out hers. She'll have some new videos up very soon.
I'm going to have my haul that I've been promising, and I'm going to have another shop skin ones too, but I don't know what else is in store, but we'll see.
Definitely check it out because there's going to be some cool stuff. So we'll see you guys in our next video and have a good day. Bye, guys!